I try not to go crazy. I try to keep my cool in Sephora. Had to fix my brow. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mom Company, a place where we discuss everything mom likes. I'm Danielle, and today we are doing makeup. Yes, makeup. No matter how much I try to shy away from makeup, girl, makeup is my friend. But this is not like your typical 17 product makeup routine. This is a real live daily makeup, easy 1, 2, 3 makeup routine. Like, you're gonna be able to do this in 5 minutes. I promise. 5 minutes is all it takes. I do this pretty much every day now since I purchased my product. Oh, had to fix my brow. But I do this every day since I've gotten the products that I have, that I'm using, and I absolutely love it. I promise it's going to make your life so much easier, and you're going to feel a lot more confident and put together walking out the door, but not having to put as much time into your face as you think you will have to put in. But anyways, I want to get into the video, but first, business first. Pause this video and hit the subscribe button so you never miss an upload from me. Make sure you are following _the Mom Company on Instagram and Facebook, where I do post different kinds of content and you never miss any of the things. So let's get into it. I'm using my Hada Labo moisturizer and then 2 pumps of the Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops by the Junk Elephant to basically act as my foundation. It adds a tint to my moisturizer and gives me a beautiful all-around glow.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Next, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep Powder, and I'm going to blot everywhere where my oil starts to pool on my face. So this is basically on my cheekbones and then the middle of my forehead, my T-zone. And this is going to help me keep oil down throughout the day. Using Benefit's Precisely My Brow in 4.5, I'm going to fill in my brows very subtly and give myself a nice natural everyday brow. Hold up, girl. I know y'all see that tongue hanging out of my mouth. When my dad focuses, he lets his tongue hang out just like that. I cannot help it. It's in my genes. It's hereditary. Next, you want to take your mascara of your choice and build up those lashes, girl. Who has time for falsies? Not me. I'm using Benefit's Bad Gal mascara, and I'm trying to get as much volume as I can. Up next is Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany. I don't know if this is still sold. I purchased this from TJ Maxx, and it was just too good to pass up. So I'm just using this to add some color to my face. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna go around my hairline, my cheekbones, underneath my chin, you know, slim out the neck area. On the lips, I'm using NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. Brown girls, you need this. Please go get it. This is the finished look, and I'm ready for my day. Along with this video, this quick makeup video, I wanted to show you guys what I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. It was, I guess, like the first week of November. Everything that I show you, I will be sure to link down below. I purchased the things that I wanted to try. These are all new items. I've never tried them before, but since I was able to get them 15% off or 20% off, I figured I would give them a shot. So one of the items is actually still being shipped, but that's for my husband. It was a fragrance. He doesn't know it's coming. He's going to be so surprised. But skincare and makeup items that I purchased, What I just used in this video, the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. Whew, that's a mouthful. These are basically bronzing drops that you can put into like your foundation, your moisturizer. I typically put it into my moisturizer or my SPF like you just saw here. And baby, like I'm not wearing any foundation. You saw. So so far so good. I love these. So far so good. My girl on Instagram, I think her name is Stacy Ann Clayton. I will be sure to link her Instagram down below. She put me onto these and I'm so thankful. One day she was in her stories and she had it on and I was like, girl, your skin looks good. And you know, I'm like skincare freak. So I figured I would purchase these and give them a try. So far, I love them. I think they were I think they retail for like $34 or so. I'll link everything down below. Also, another thing that I got was the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now, I was using Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, and girl, when you get that in your eyes, it burns so bad. So I wanted to try this. So far, I like it so much better than the Dermalogica. It is just a green, like, cleansing balm. It's so soft. It's not really scented, and it's part of Clean Beauty, which, you know, anytime I can do Clean Beauty, I'm all for it. Again, it's the Green Clean Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Love this for me. I use it to take off my makeup. Laura Mercier, not too long ago, came out with a new color for her translucent powders. Of course, there was the translucent, like the white powder, and then there's the deep dark, which is what I own. I typically do not care for white translucent powder on my brown skin. That's just a preference of mine. I just don't like the finish that it gives me, and I have not found one that I really like. So I did not try the white translucent powder, but I did the deep dark. I love that. But sometimes you want to keep the brightness underneath your eyes and everywhere you highlight. So I felt like this color, which is honey, would be more appropriate for highlighting on brown skin. And it's really pretty. I'll do like a close-up shot for you, but I feel like this will keep the highlighted areas highlighted when I set my highlight. The next item that I got from Sephora would be the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric Face Oil. This right here is good. The glow is awesome. I needed a new vitamin C serum. So I figured I would give this a try. Everyone raves about it. So far so good. I like it. The next item, or the last item I got, was Sunday Riley's Luna Sleeping Night Oil. And this is a retinol and blue tansy face oil. So I'm not sure about blue tansy. I don't know. I have to look that up. But retinol, you know, nighttime recovery on the skin, cell turnover, you know, that kind of thing. Resurfacing, anti-aging, you know, it targets all of that. So retinol's always a girl's best friend. So I figured I would try that out. And so far, I'm liking everything that I purchased. But those are all the things that I got. I try not to go crazy. I tried to keep my cool in Sephora. But I just wanted to share those with you guys really quick. So I'm going to wrap up the video. That's the end. I just wanted to quickly give you guys a mini haul after highlighting this 6-item makeup routine. It's an everyday makeup routine. It's super easy, super beginner friendly, and it should take you no time to do it once you get it down packed. Let me know in the description bar if you like this kind of content, if you enjoyed, if you plan on purchasing any of the items that I use, just let me know. The links are there for you. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.